Good morning, buckaroos. I'm here today to teach y'all how to bark like a wolf. And don't worry, this is going to be far easier to master compared to goose honking. As you can see right now, we're just relaxing, sitting on a chair. There's no real fancy body movements you have to do with barking like a wolf. The only recommendation I would have is once you get into the barking mode is to close your eyes and just picture a scene in your head that will really bring out your inner wolf. Like for me personally, it's just imagining some stupid broad trying to steal my carcass that I'm having for dinner. That really channels that inner wolf spirit. So that'd really be my only recommendation for body movement and all that fun jazz. But yeah, let us get into the tutorial on how to bark. I almost nearly said honking, but let's get into the tutorial how to bark now. So there's three main sounds here in a proper wolf bark. You have the and the ruh. Ruh, ruh. Ruh, ruh. Once you have that down, once you have that emulated perfectly, you're only going to elongate the so like and then go into the ruh, ruh. Ruh, ruh. Once you have that down, you're going to continue the ruh, ruhs rapidly. So like ruh, 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 ruh. Now, once you have all that combined together, it's going to sound a little something like this. Now, once you have that down, there is simply one final step left. You gotta raise your pitch as high as you can. And once you do that, this is gonna be the final product. And there you have it. That's how to bark like a heckin' wolf. See you buckaroos on Monday stream. Toodaloo and farewell.